Hi guys, this is 2009 Toyota Dualis. So I'm going to today going to replace it for the ignition key barrel. So I already off the steering airbag. So it looks like this. Then take it out, and then you can see the steering wheel. They have 19mm bolt. This airbag is locking in here. This is a 2 notch here. It's going to here. So I'm gonna take it out the steering wheel. I already off the spiral cable. So turn off the connector. So this is the cable of the transmission. When we select in the park or P or neutral, where's the cable that release the shift lever. So you can see the top side here that's two screws. Have to remove it. You have to tap it, then take it out. Get the part number. Part. Okay, we have to tap it this bolt in here. Okay, yeah, this screw. So then it take it out. Okay guys, here the ignition key barrel. It's going like this way. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.